Okay, drink we're about to make is called Texas Rattlesnake. And we're going to serve this as a chilled shot. We've got a couple shot glasses ready to go. Go ahead and pour some ice in a glass. And measure out 1 ounce of Yukon Jack, our Canadian liqueur. Follow that up with half an ounce of cherry brandy. And next we'll add 1 ounce of Southern Comfort. And finally, a splash of sour mix. And let's shake it up. Get a nice cold Texas rattlesnake. One of the deadliest snakes in America. There you go. 2 shot glasses. Get your strainer and pour it in. That's all there is to it. Bottoms up.